Okay, I think I found it. Everything's glitched for some reason. That's weird. I wanna go in. Yay, construction! Oh! Yay! Ooh. Construction site. Ooh, money! Where are you guys going? Ooh.
Maybe my one chance to get $10 coins. I didn't know my money was $10.
Another money.
Oh, I know what you
More
want.
money. Where's the other money?
The fedora.
I was watching the video.
There's only 3 more now. There's only 5 in each map.
Hey, what does this do?
Oh,
Wait! Where? Where's the other one?
Oh, that's pretty cool.
yeah.
Where's the other one, dude? Where?
I don't know.
This was the.
Oh, I didn't even know
That was a very good spot.
You may be wondering where I am right now. There's one right there. One right there.
I didn't even hit him.
Hey, Bucket Sash, I need that.
Okay. And the last one is somewhere.
Oh, sick.
Hop in the plane and LAM.
Oh.
Havana, Una,
Where's my kids?
Is it in here?
Guy hunting.
How do I get down?
That has stuff. What?
Oh, I found a
What is
button.
allowed?
I
Oh, I
found
know
it.
what's allowed.
I found a button that gives you money.
There's one over here.
No!
One. Oh!
What? Oh! Oh!
You have to climb this.
Yeah, I play baseball.
Oh, no, he's stuck in the underground. It should be
I gotta get out.
Yeah, there you go.
Money! I want the money!
No.
Woohoo! Money!
Now I only
can't
need 2 more.
move.
I found it! I found it!
This.
I really
and then
did this time, guys! I really did! It's over
Need one
here!
more item. That's funny.
It's over here! Right here!
Where?
Right there!
For example, running.
It's right here!
LeBron.
Yay!
Oh no.
Yep.
Why did I jump?
Yeah, I play basketball.
Dude, I have
I play
$150 now!
LeBron.
Let's go! Rah!
That was a lot. Alright, time to look cool on the title.
LeBron James.
Wait, guys, who ended?
Stop it! No! Anyway, that was the video. Sorry, bye.